What does it take to be a great laptop? A wide, colorful display? Checked. A powerful processor? Checked. Ample storage? Also checked. And having two-in-one compatibility is kind of the cherry on top. In that case, the Samsung Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360 could be the laptop you are looking for. It has nearly all the features you desire in a laptop, including the high-performance Core Ultra 200V or Lunar Lake processor. Plus, its two-in-one convertible design offers added flexibility. So in this video, we will talk about the Galaxy Book 5 Pro and provide you with all the important information. Design-wise, the Book 5 Pro 360 is quite similar to the Book 4 Pro. It's thin and lightweight, but the aluminum construction ensures stiffness. You'll find a reasonable range of ports, including two USB-C, an HDMI 2.1 port that accommodates 8K at 60 Hz and 5K at 120 Hz, a microSD slot, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a single USB-A port. This is comparable to the port selection found on other Samsung laptops, which is beneficial, especially if you value having at least one USB-A port for older devices. As a convertible two-in-one, the Book 5 Pro functions both as a laptop and as a tablet. While many convertible laptops may feel as clumsy as tablets, the Book 5 Pro is different. Use it in tent mode. You will actually find it comfortable. The touchscreen is quite responsive and also offers a practical tablet experience when required. Like its predecessor, the Book 5 Pro comes with a full keyboard featuring a number pad, and it works quite well. No issues. Alright, we just saw some cool gadgets that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok for Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. The Galaxy Book 5 Pro comes with a 16-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, just like its earlier version, and it's nothing short of fantastic. This model features a crisp 3K resolution of 2880 by 1800 and also offers great visuals. Samsung allows users to select from various color profiles, including sRGB, P3, and Adobe RGB. The screen is shielded with anti-reflective Gorilla Glass, although it doesn't seem as effective as the Galaxy Tab Ultra. However, the brightness of the display generally counters the glare well enough for outdoor use. The refresh rate can hit 120 Hz with dynamic adjusting, which means it will automatically go up and down when needed. Additionally, it comes with a non-charging stylus. The laptop also features a quad AKG speaker system with larger woofers compared to the previous model, along with Dolby Atmos. The sound is good. Beyond that, the Book 5 Pro has a standard Full HD webcam discreetly placed in the slim bezel, capable of recording in Full HD and ideal for video calls. It handles strong contrasts well, and the built-in microphones do a good job of capturing your voice, as well as eliminating the need for a headset. Now let's take a closer look at the specifications. Samsung has made impressive advancements with these numbers. The standard version of the Galaxy Book 5 Pro starts with 16 GB of RAM, which can be upgraded to 32 GB. Being a premium laptop, they could have started with 32 GB, but never mind. The storage options are also commendable, varying from 512 GB to 1 TB. The real highlight, however, is what's inside. Equipped with the Intel Core Ultra 200V, also referred to as Lunar Lake, this model marks Samsung's entry into the emerging AI-driven laptop sector. As part of the Lunar Lake lineup, it is expected to provide improved performance and enhanced energy efficiency. Another significant aspect is the inclusion of the Intel Arc GPU. While the reception of Intel's Arc graphics has been mixed, it remains to be seen how effectively this specific model will perform. The Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 is among the first laptops to incorporate Lunar Lake chips, which is expected to offer very fast performance and long battery life, as claimed by Intel and Samsung. Intel refers to this processor as the most efficient x86 model to date. Laptops featuring Lunar Lake are projected to provide outstanding performance and significant power efficiency for x86 applications. Intel also states that Lunar Lake ensures unmatched application compatibility, contrasting it with Qualcomm's ARM-based Snapdragon X chips, which can face compatibility issues with certain x86 applications. They state that Lunar Lake consumes 50% less power compared to its predecessor, Meteor Lake. It is also capable of up to 120 total platform TOPS when considering the CPU, GPU, and NPU. Intel further claims that the integrated Xa2 GPU can achieve up to 31% faster gaming performance compared to Meteor Lake. It features an integrated NPU, offering up to 47 TOPS of computational strength for all your AI activities, including the Copilot, which is just a keystroke away. Whether you're crafting quirky artwork or brainstorming ideas, this tool helps. Plus, exciting Copilot Plus updates are on the horizon for this laptop. If you're immersed in the Samsung ecosystem, you can quickly share files and photos from your Galaxy phone to your laptop using Quick Share and enjoy screen mirroring. The most significant enhancement in this generation of the Galaxy Book compared to its predecessor is its battery life. With the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360, we generally experienced around 10 hours of mixed usage on a single charge. This included tasks like browsing in Chrome, playing music through the laptop's speakers via Spotify, downloading large files in the background, and occasionally video chatting. In contrast, the previous generation would only last about 6 to 7 hours under similar conditions. Therefore, this new model should easily last through a full workday, unless you're one of those who works 14 hours a day. And if you prefer lounging and watching Netflix, you'll be happy to know that the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 only consumes about 7% of the battery per hour while streaming. This means you can enjoy around 14 to 15 hours of uninterrupted Netflix viewing. The current price of the Galaxy Book5 Pro is $1699 for the 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte storage variant. A good thing about Samsung laptops is they often go for sale after a few months, so you might get this laptop for around $1,000 after 6 months. However, the current pricing is also good if we take into consideration how much it delivers. That said, should you get the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360? Our honest opinion is yes. Think of MacBooks. You pay over $2,000 just for the quality. And the Galaxy Book5 Pro is also a quality 2-in-1 laptop. So we believe every penny you spend on this laptop will pay off. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.